ACB, CD starting to move up here. PCT, the 30s trading here. I'm not really looking to buy too much July. This is Pure Cycle Technologies, guys. The 30s trading here in PCT. So scan idea, not an official signal. Buy PCT. 7/16/2021, 30 calls for 80. If you're new, welcome. Targets 120 and 160. PCT, guys, this is Pure Cycle Technology or something. There's an idea here in PCT. I wouldn't take it. I don't want to be buying too much July premium. So PCT, guys, I would not be taking here in PCT. Let's go to PCT. PCT. Ooh, it's Pure Cycle Technologies. Went down to $10. Does have an ATR of $2. It looks like it's breaking the upside here. I think they're okay. It did hit Option Hacker, guys. It did hit Option Hacker here in PCT. So kind of keep an eye on PCT here. Futures, I think they could go down on the day here. PCT, guys, interesting. CD still 25.30. Let's see where NLOC is. Northlock, 2025. PCT, guys, calls being bought. It's gone from 10 to 24. Let's go in here and add this one here. Oh, look at Sting moving higher. That was a great short squeeze scanner signal. Sting. Yeah, that one's been a loser. July 24 is up to 90 cents. Huge winner on that one. Fiverr up another $8. Fiverr up another $8. Oil off the highs. Still in our RDSA. So back to break even. Could have got those at 35. I almost bought them at 35. Gap, the trade is over. Move on to the sidelines. Gap hitting both profit targets. Trade up to 68, so gap is over. EPZM, we hit one profit target in that. Short squeeze signals have been really good lately. We had a signal and plug on the short squeeze, guys. That was a huge winner. So we've had some really great signals on the short squeeze and 40-hour spike. And obviously, Option Hacker is the creme de la creme. The creme de la creme. That means it's the best. 5-minute bars, we'll track those from those levels. No, I didn't hear that. This one woman on TV said if you make over $1 million, it should be automatically audited. That's not... It's the dumbest thing I've ever heard. NTR, I took those off. 100% profit. Letter O we took off. ABCL trading here. Short stock restricted. MOXC. We're not talking politics in here. Sorry, I shouldn't have said anything. I deleted that one chat, sorry. Do-da, do-da, do-do-do-do-do-do. Oh, the do-da today. Real calls are down to 65. Big lots. BKR, CD, Cliff. Oh, I got into some Cliff calls yesterday. OC35s, I got into those yesterday at 90. So I do have a position in Cliff now. Cliff, I have a position on. The real, would I buy a pullback? No. especially with July premium. July, I'm a little hesitant. We do have that holiday coming up. We're not going to talk politics. Everything will be deleted. No politics, no religion. Sorry, I shouldn't have said anything at all. No politics, no religion. Bitcoin back up to 34,000. STNG July 20 is being sold. The real 60.65. We got you into 55. Let's see how high the real can go based on the ATR, average true range. High of the day. Ooh, it's gone through that. Let's go to PCT. PCT could get up to 25.33. Yeah, we're gonna hold the real. We're gonna hold CD. If we get profit targets on one of them, we might take the other one off. So if we get profit targets on one of them, we might take the other one off. Party City July 8 puts being sold. ALK VION trading here. They took an ATR trade in AMAT. That is down to 16 cents, so I'll hold those to 0. Yeah, we're holding the real for now. Oh, Cliff, I'm up $100. I took a trade in Cliff yesterday. How about October calls and a pullback? Bum 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 bum. Tequila. Sting. July 20 is being sold. If I was in STNG, I'd be out of everything in STNG. STNG, guys, I'd be out of everything in STNG. You see calls being sold. AMAT. I got in at 21. They're worth 17, so I don't know what their 50% stop loss is, but ATR trades are meant to hit a home run or go to 0. So I will hold to 0. I bought 6 of them, so I have $120 of risk. Similar to Alcoa. Gap out of gap. Dun, 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 no. Let's see what CD does. China Data. Not even China Data. It's called China Data. China Data. China Data Group Holdings Limited provides carrier neutral hyperscale data center solutions in China, India, Southeast Asia. Offers AI, cloud computing, smart cities, homes, online entertainment, and other on-demand services. Oh, that sounds exciting. Craft puts trading here. SPGI trading here. TURN April 10s. Small OG 10, sorry. Turn OG 10s trading here. 180-degree capital. Some of these things. I think SPACs should be outlawed. Get rid of SPACs. Nobody needs SPACs. Sally Beauty took off yesterday. July 22.5. August, huge profits. ATR trades are just you hold or out. ALLT, more calls being bought. They're buying July 20s. You buy some Sep 22s. ALLT calls being bought July 20s. Traded 35,000 shares. That's incredible. ALT. A lot. It says AK, you're a lot. Oh, I got lift, guys, at 30. So I'm going to take an ATR trade here and lift at 30. So lift, I'm aiming for 90 or 0. Lift, I'm aiming for 90 or 0. Lift. 90 or 0. So ATR trade, I got filled. Buy lift this week. 63 calls for 30. Target 90 or 0. So taking I either triple my money or the calls go to 0. So either triple my money or the calls go to 0. Triple my money or the calls go to 0. Yeah, left. I mean, if I get the HER once, if I get the HER, it's like 230. These triple in value. So all I need is the HER in the next 2 days. One time. If not, that is fine. I have a structured product in I wish they offered me Uber structured notes when the stock was like 47. I am at 150,000 in Twitter. Twitter 52. Up to 65. It's like that earnings didn't even exist. I'll probably get called back on that one too. So in the lift. AK, do you even lift? Huh? That's funny. Oh, so ACB, I have a covered call now. So ACB, I got filled at 910. Let's sell the July. Which ones are these? July 16, 9.5s at 46. I need to get 46 for this. All right, so covered call here, guys, in ACB. Buy stock at 946 and sell the 7/16/2021 9.5 calls for 46. So this will yield me in the next 3 weeks and 3 days. As long as the stock doesn't move, I will get about 46 cents into 910. What is that, 5%? So ACB, guys, doing a covered call. 5% over the next couple weeks. So ACB, guys, covered call. ACB buying stock, 910, sorry, 910. 910 and selling some calls. You'll add that to our covered call list. ACB covered call. So let's go in here. And it's called new scanner. This total portfolio is up about 38%. It was up a lot more. We actually haven't had a covered call in a while. So 623. What do I call this? Is a signal. GRNW, GRGW, GRWG. By next week, 45s. Wow, 260. A little expensive, but GRGW, guys, big buyer. GRWG, so GRWG trading here. So let's go to the new scanner. ACB. Stock is 910. And to sell the July 16th. 9.5 calls. The entry is 47. And we'll track that from that level, guys. So ACB in ACB. Buyer is GRWG. GRWG trading here. Real pulling back. There's still 60-70 here in the real. The real. Yeah, I mean, you could take whatever you want, but ACB, it's the same thing as selling the 9.5 puts. It's the same thing as selling the 9.5 puts for 96, right? 86, right? Yeah, the puts are actually better. I don't know why. Maybe this is like short stock restricted or something. I should probably just get out of it and sell the puts naked. Big lots calls being sold. I'm going to cancel my big lots order. I was trying to buy calls at 130. That trade is over now. So they're selling big lots calls. I'm out of this trade. See big lots. Seven minutes ago, then we go to Project 303. BKE, we took that off a while ago. We took them off for 190 and then I think 145. Back up to 190, so we did take these off. You're welcome. We did take those off. When the market started selling off really hard, we're like, oh, let's take these off while we can. NOV, we took those off a long time ago. Those were July 9th 18s, I want to say. Yeah, they're down to 20 cents. We took off Glow for a loser. Glow keeps going up and the calls don't move. You can still get these at 13 cents. That's unbelievable. Stock's literally gone straight higher. ACB, guys, this is in the notes tab too. Or you can always scroll up. It's in the notes tab. ACB. Oh, let me add this here. ACB. EPZM, we hit target 1. Pull back a little bit to 90. Five minutes to go. 5 minutes to go. Standard deviation, ATR, it's a mathematical calculation my programmer put in. So ATR is how much the stock moves 1/3 of all days. I'm like, I don't want that. I want to know how much it moves 2/3 of all days. So ATR is how much it moves 1/3 of all days from high to low. And then that standard deviation ATR is how much it moves 2/3 of all days. So 1/3 and 2/3. 1/3 and 2/3. No, Brian doesn't work for me anymore. Nope. Futures up 4. CD up $1. $25.30. I used to be one of my moderators. Real 60.65. Lift starting to get a bit. Those calls are back up to 34. I'm up a whopping $16. I have 52 resting orders in here. 52 resting orders. Uber calls being bought at 52.5s. That's usually good for Lyft. Uber next week 52.5s, guys. Uber next week 52.5s trading here. Uber next week 52.5s. PCT 80.90. EDU up 27 cents. Still in AMAT. Still in Lyft. Lyft I got in at 30. They're 90 or 0. Not playing for a small winner. I'm playing for a big winner. Glory, $2.50 out of the money, and they're still 14 cents. 13 cents. We got it if 13 stock was $2 lower. That is crazy. An ACB and a covered call. Well, we don't need, right now we don't need any moderators, but we might in the future. Maps trading here, puts being sold. What a signal, Alcoa. How do they know? That ATR is $1.81. Wow. It didn't even pop that much. It was used to be $44. Yeah, today's been a great day. I got into some Mosaic cover, structure notes. DNB, XRX. NDNM. Hanging out, waiting for opportunities. Real 6070, PCT 8090, CD 2530. All right, guys, I gotta go to 303. Everybody have a great day. Thanks. I'll see you.